Samsung just dropped one of the biggest teaser of the year, and it's all about the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, a tablet that's already making headlines before it's even in stores. Official videos and marketing material are out, revealing everything from its sleeker design to some surprising changes with the S Pen. And this launch is tied to Samsung's big September 4th event, where we will also see the Galaxy S25 FE. So let's start with the design. The Tab S11 Ultra is now 0.3 mm thinner and 26 grams lighter than last model, yet somehow still packs a 400 mAh bigger battery. The first official video highlights this thinner body and smaller notch, making it easier to hold during long sessions. The second video shows Google Gemini integrated directly, giving you smart voice commands that can analyze whatever is on screen in real time, while the third clip flaunts a new DeX mode that runs on the tablet and wirelessly connects to an external monitor. Moving on to the display, Samsung has finally given its tablets the brightness they deserved. 1000 nits for outdoor use and 1600 nits for HDR, putting it on par with the iPad Pro and big jump over last year's S10 lineup. But the biggest talking point is the redesigned S Pen. Samsung has shifted to hexagonal pencil-like design, sharper tip included. While it looks more like a real pencil, the move to an all-aluminum body on the tablet means no plastic strip for wireless charging, while effectively kills Bluetooth functionality in the pen. That means no remote controls or gestures, and for anyone using this as a productivity tool, it feels like a backward step. Performance-wise, the Tab S11 Ultra delivers a solid boost: 24% faster CPU, 27% faster GPU, and 33% faster NPU over last year, with Geekbench scores hitting around 2500 single core and 8700 multi-core. Impressive? Yes, but still behind the Snapdragon 8 Elite powered Galaxy S25 Ultra, which raises questions about Samsung's choice of chip for a premium $1,200 tablet. There are smaller refinements too. Magnetic keyboard pins have been repositioned, the camera rings are gone, and you get two color options, grey and silver. Thankfully, the micro SD card slot is still here, which will please power users. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra keeps last year's $1,200 starting price and officially launches right after Samsung's September 4th event, making it one of the most anticipated tablets of 2025.